Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make an origami bird. Now, the color of this is important because the color that's going to be, the main color that's going to be the body, you want it going on the back. And the head of the bird, you want it to be facing the front. So if I want my head to be white, I have it facing front now. If I want my head to be purple, I face it front, but I want my body to be purple, so I face it back. Next, we're gonna make a single diagonal fold in half, like this. Make sure to get it as even as possible because this is the most important fold. If it's uneven like this, you could just always play around with it, move it a bit until it's even. Again, uneven, move it around until it's even. Next step is to unfold that and fold into your middle crease. So fold in half into your center and do the same thing on your other side. Now, what you want to do is flip over to the other side and then fold this top flap down until it hits the corners. Then you're going to want to flip again, fold this top corner here to the center, like so. Next step is to fold this corner to the center and unfold both of these. Now, this next part is a bit tricky, so you're going to want to follow along. What you want to do is take the inside flap of one of these and unfold it completely. Next, if you can see the little crease in the center here, you're going to want to fold along that crease, like so. Then, taking this corner, moving it up, follow the other creases on the paper until you got a shape that looks something like this. Right now, I'm just fixing the corner so it looks even. So now you've got this flap that points up. You're going to want to do the same thing on the other side. Unfold, find the crease, fold it along the crease, lift the corner up, and follow the creases until you got yourself something like this. Again, fold it and flatten it. And if it's uneven, just fix it. So now that you got these flaps, what you're gonna wanna do is fold them down. And what we're gonna do right now is make the legs with them. So we're gonna make leg number 1, and then leg number 2. To make sure that you got the legs the same size, you can always fold this in half to see if they match up. I'm gonna just fold this in half. And I see that I didn't get my legs quite right, so I'm gonna go back and fix it. Now if I fold it again, I could see that I got my legs right, so I could move on to it for now. What we're going to do now is fold this little end corner up until the legs stop the tail. This is going to be the tail of our bird. Then we're going to fold back on the tail like this. Then we're going to put our legs over the tail and then fold it in half. We're going to make sure our creases are all nice and flat. Now we're at the end. All you want to do is just take the head and push it down until we get the bird's beak. Yes, like this. I'll show you that again. From here, we push this down and fold it like this till we get the bird's beak. And that is your origami bird.